Hello friends, today I will teach you how to choose optional subject in UPSC exam. It's very important. You you should choose wisely of optional subject in UPSC. First look at the mechanism. In mains exams 17-15 total marks and of your optional subject 5 marks carry. So you score 300 to 350 marks in optional subject both of paper 1 and paper 2, so you will definitely score good marks in UPSC final exams. And so before selecting optional subject, these points you have to go through. So better to choose graduation subject. You spend almost 3 to 4 years in graduation, so you know well in graduation subject, and you study well in graduation, and you spend too much time to study graduation subjects. It's very important to go for it and choose graduation subject what you like. But if you not interested and you are not compatible with a graduation subject, so choose other one and watch topper talk and what they decided, and you also focus on interested subject. Uh, it's very important, because if you are not interested in those subject which you selected in optional subject as a in UPSC, so you can't score too much, and you score 200 and 250 marks, so you can't get success in UPSC exam. So you have to score 350 marks in optional subject, then you will definitely clear the exam. So before selecting optional subject, first spend a study 1 to 2 months, and then decide which subject you like and interested more. Because you spend almost 1 to 2 months, so you definitely know the syllabus, know the content. So after studying and spending 1 to 2 months, you can decide optional subject. Choose interested subject instead of high scoring subject. You must watch topper talks, and they will give you the knowledge. But if you are not interested, and if you are not better to study those subjected what toppers get good marks, it's not worth for you. Because some ability have, everyone ability has different. So you, someone said sociology is a good scoring marks, but you are not good in sociology, so you can't choose sociology. So know syllabus before selecting option subject. It's very important. If you know syllabus, and if you go through also PYQ previous year questions, so uh, you can decide based on the PYQ and syllabus. Syllabus is small and big. If you choose math and you are not good in math, so math is a good optional subject, but you can't interested and you are not aware of maths, so you can't score good marks. So previous year questions very important before selecting option subject. Doable subject would be better for success in university. It's very important. Doable. If you choose history and you are not interested, and you think syllabus is vast, so doable subject is very important. You can almost revision 3 to 4 times before mains exams. So dual subjects is very important. So before choosing the optional subject, before selecting the optional subject, keep in mind these points and choose wisely and get success in UPSC exams. Thank you for watching.